Hello again. I welcome you to our mathematics lesson. We continue with coverage of the 9 laws of indices. Of course, I said indices is a Form 2 topic. I am Joseph Rudel Opati. Now, we have covered, of course, 2 laws so far. The first law was what? The law of multiplication of numbers to a similar base. We said the outcome is what? You add the indices. Roman 2, we have covered the law of division of numbers to a similar base. The outcome was you subtract the indices or the powers. So today we go to our third law. So let's see how the law is stated, and of course verify it and see its application. Now, lesson 3, coverage of the what? The third law. But before we go to our coverage of the third law, remember I gave you a question in the second lesson. It was question number 2. So just confirm if at all you got the answers right. The question was, simplify the following, leaving your answer in index form. Roman 1, b power x divided by b power y. This is the correct answer. B power x divided by b power y, having the same bases, and we are dividing. What is the outcome? We shall have b raised to power x minus y. Number 2, we had m power 2 divided by m power 3. So what is the outcome? M raised to power 2 minus 3. Number 3, h power 7 divided by h power 5. Now what do we get? H power 7 divided by h power 5. You get h raised to power 7 minus 5. The outcome will be what? So h power 7 divided by h power 5. We have said this is what you're going to have in the end, h raised to power 2. Okay, we go to the next question. 3 power 7 divided by 3 power negative 5. This will be equal to what? 3 power 7 minus negative 5. The initial minus because of what? The law of division of numbers to a similar base. In the end, what do we have? 3 raised to power 7 plus 5, which will give us the final outcome of 3 raised to power 12. Now, last question. 5 power 9 divided by 5 power 2. Now, this will give us 5 raised to power 9 minus 2. Final outcome, 5 raised to power 7. So, I hope you got some, if possible, but where you went wrong, I hope you've been able to see where you went wrong and of course make the correction. Now we go to our third law. The third law is a law of multiplication of numbers having similar powers or indices. Now, how is the law stated? This is how the law is stated. X power n times y power n. The outcome is xy raised to power n. So what do? You multiply the bases and let that product you obtain assume that similar power. So I'm going to give an illustration here. We have 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. So what do you get? As per that law, you multiply base 2 and base 3 to give you 6. Then let that 6 assume what? That's similar power 2. Now we just verify if at all this is a valid law. Now what is 2 raised to power 2? I will give you 2 times 2, which will give you what? 4. What about 3 power 2? That will be 3 times 3 to give you what? 9. Remember, when you take 4 and 9 and you multiply, what is the outcome? It is 36. If you are keen, 6 squared will also give you what? 36, meaning this is a valid law. So what do? We are saying whenever you are given a case of multiplication of numbers to a similar power, multiply the bases, let the product you get assume that similar power. So having given that illustration, we can go to our example number 3. So example number 3, we have the question as simplify the following, leaving your answer in index form. So a t power k times y power k. Now let's have the solutions here. So solutions, a, we have t power k times y power k. The outcome will be what? Multiply the bases, then let that assume what? That similar power. We go to our second question. 10 power 2 times 5 power 2. So what shall we have? 10 power 2 times 5 power 2. We shall have 5 times 10, then raised to power 2. In the end, what do we have? 5 raised to power 2. We go to our last question. 3 power 4 times 5 power 4. What do we get? 3 times 5 raised to power 4. So what do we get here? 15 raised to the power of 4. So that marks what? The end of the coverage of our third law. As usual, I will leave you with some questions to try, just to verify if at all, or to confirm if you have understood what you have just learned. Question 3 is simplify the following, leaving your answer in index form. Roman 1, h power t times k power t. Roman 2, 5 power 7 times 6 power 7. And Roman 3, 7 power 3 times 10 power 3. Now see you in our next lesson as we continue with this journey.